Senior Scene is here to guide you through your next chapter. The real reasons immunity declines after midlife. Many people notice that after their 40s and 50s, they seem to get sick more easily. Colds last longer. Recovery takes more time. Minor infections feel heavier than they used to. Most people assume this is simply getting older. But the truth is more complex. Immune decline after midlife is not caused by age alone. It is driven by specific biological changes and daily habits that quietly weaken the immune system over time. Today, we'll explore the real reasons immunity declines after midlife and why. Understanding these causes gives you the power to protect your health moving forward. Let's begin with an important concept. Your immune system is not a single organ. It is a network that depends on sleep, nutrition, stress balance, circulation, muscle mass, and nervous system regulation. When these systems weaken, immunity follows. The first major reason immunity declines after midlife is chronic, low-grade inflammation. As we age, the body tends to remain in a constant state of mild inflammation. This is sometimes called inflammaging. Unlike acute inflammation, which helps fight infection, chronic inflammation confuses the immune system. It keeps immune cells busy responding to false alarms. Over time, this reduces their ability to respond effectively to real threats, like viruses and bacteria. Poor diet, stress, lack of movement, and excess sugar all contribute to this inflammatory state. When inflammation becomes the body's default mode, immune efficiency drops. The second reason is declining sleep quality, not just sleep duration. Many people still spend 7 or 8 hours in bed, but deep restorative sleep decreases with age. Deep sleep is when the immune system repairs itself. During this phase, immune cells regenerate and inflammatory signals are cleared. Frequent night waking, light sleep, and irregular schedules interrupt this process. Over time, poor sleep weakens immune memory and slows recovery from illness. The third reason is loss of muscle mass. Muscle is not just for strength and movement. It plays a critical role in immune health. Muscle tissue produces myokines, which help regulate immune responses and inflammation. As muscle mass declines with age, immune signaling becomes less efficient. This is why people with more muscle tend to recover faster from illness. Without regular resistance or weight-bearing activity, immunity weakens quietly. The fourth reason is reduced circulation and vascular health. Immune cells travel through the bloodstream. If circulation slows, immune surveillance becomes less effective. Poor vascular health means immune cells reach infection sites more slowly. This delay allows infections to spread before the immune system can respond fully. Sedentary habits, poor diet, and unmanaged blood pressure all contribute to this issue. The fifth reason is nutrient absorption decline, not just poor diet. Many adults eat enough calories but absorb fewer nutrients as they age. Digestive efficiency decreases. Stomach acid production may drop. Gut microbiome balance shifts. As a result, key immune-supporting nutrients like zinc, vitamin B12, vitamin D, and magnesium become less available. Without these nutrients, immune cells cannot function optimally. The sixth reason is chronic psychological stress. Stress hormones like cortisol directly suppress immune activity when elevated for long periods. After midlife, stress often becomes more complex. Financial concerns, health worries, caregiving responsibilities, identity changes. When stress is constant, the immune system remains suppressed, even at rest. This makes the body more vulnerable to infections and slower to heal. The seventh reason is reduced exposure to healthy immune challenges. Ironically, avoiding all stresses can weaken immunity. Gentle exposure to movement, temperature changes, and environmental variety helps train the immune system. Overly sedentary and indoor lifestyles reduce this immune training effect. The immune system, like muscles, needs appropriate stimulation to stay strong. Now let's talk about what this means for you. Immune decline after midlife is not inevitable. It is responsive to daily habits. Improving sleep quality strengthens immune memory. Maintaining muscle mass improves immune signaling. Supporting vascular health improves immune response speed. Reducing inflammation restores immune balance. Even small changes make a difference when practiced consistently. Midlife is not the beginning of immune failure. It is a critical window for immune preservation. By understanding the real causes behind immune decline, you gain control over your long-term resilience. Your body is not working against you. It is responding to the signals you give it every day. Stronger immunity after midlife is built through intention, not extremes. Consistency matters more than intensity. If this video helped you understand your vascular health better, I'd love for you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your next chapter can be healthier, stronger, and more vibrant. And I'm here to guide you every step of the way.